In this video, I am going to show you how I get the most out of my Brita water filter cartridge without only relying on the manufacturer's recommendation. The same method can be used for other brands of water filters. Setup. I use not one, but two Brita filters which practically filter my drinking water twice. This does not increase my filter cost because one filter has very little load as water is already filtered once before. I use two filters but my filters last longer. I use the white jar for filtering tap water. The blue jar is used for filtering boiled tap water. I drink water from the blue jar. Water in the white jar is for cooking or electric kettle. My electric kettle boils only filtered tap water from the white jar. There are water residue at the bottom of the kettle if it boils untreated tap water. Residues are actually heavy metals and water impurities. They should not be in the water if the tap water filter works. In other words, residue formation is actually an indicator to the condition of my tap water filter. There is no residue formation as long as my tap water filter still works. Contrary, it is time to replace the tap water filter when residue is found in the kettle. Replacement scheme. I do not replace the tap water filter cartridge with a brand new one. There are two reasons. 1. I feel it is waste of a brand new filter to have it exposed to high concentration of tap water impurities. 2. I need a way to determine when to replace my boiled water filter. Instead, I found a better replacement scheme is to take out the tap water filter cartridge. Move the boiled water cartridge over to the tap water filter. Install a brand new filter cartridge into the boiled water filter. For your reference, I use a new cartridge every 3 to 4 months following this scheme. Recycle old filter. At this stage, the old filter is normally ready for disposal. Well, I found that the filter granules are actually still good for aquarium use. I am not suggesting to replace aquarium filters exclusively with the Brita granules. I simply add an extra stage of filtering to the aquarium so as to offload the other parts of the aquarium filter. This works extremely well in removing odor in my turtle tank. I cut open the old filter cartridge and put the filter granules into a pantyhose. And then I put this into my aquarium filter. That's it. The only thing is to make sure the granules don't leak through the pantyhose. You don't want fishes and turtles to eat them.